In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax collection in your Shopify store. This guide is designed to assist you in efficiently managing sales tax for your business, ensuring compliance with any required regulations. Let's start by logging into your Shopify admin account. This is your command center, where you can manage every aspect of your store. Once logged in, direct your attention to the lower part of the sidebar menu, where you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've reached the settings page, you're going to see a variety of options. Search for the one that reads Taxes and Duties. This section is pivotal for managing your store's obligations concerning sales tax. Clicking on Taxes and Duties will take you to a new page specifically dedicated to tax setup and management. Now that you're on the Taxes and Duties page, look for the Manage Sales Tax Collection section. Here, you'll see a listing for your country or region. Click on your specific country or region to continue. This next step is crucial because it bridges the gap between your store's operations and governmental requirements. After clicking on your country or region, an option labeled Collect Sales Tax will appear. Select this to begin the process of setting up tax collection for your store. You'll be prompted to enter your tax number. This number is usually issued by your local tax authority and is essential for legally collecting sales tax from your customers, so be sure to enter it accurately. With your tax number entered, click on the Collect Tax button. This action saves your settings and activates the tax collection feature within your Shopify store in accordance with local requirements. From here on out, Shopify will automatically account for sales tax based on your settings every time a transaction occurs. Now, here's an optional but valuable tip. If your business operates in multiple regions or states, you might need to add additional tax regions and account numbers. To do that, simply revert to the Collect Sales Tax option. This lets you input any additional required regions and their corresponding tax numbers in the same seamless manner as before. And there you have it. A straightforward approach to setting up and managing sales tax collection in your Shopify store. Taking the time to configure this correctly not only helps keep your business compliant with legal obligations, but also ensures your customers are charged the right amount based on their locality. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Remember to check back for more videos to keep your online business running smoothly and efficiently. Goodbye for now, and happy selling!